Yes, it's a quite difficult expiry for me, or I have taken some trade and get lost in this expiry day. So what? Let's look into the what happened more detail in the 5 minutes chart. So what I am continuously saying in the last 3 days is that can go long if 17,800 is broken and short below 17,600 is broken. So that is what exactly I am doing. Uh, I have been waiting today. Which level? Yes, I have been taken trade in this consolidation, hoping that market which bound to go further downside in the afternoon section, but it does not happen. I have taken 70. I think 17,000. Yes, 17,600 17,600 P over that particular zone at 20 rupees, I think. Yes, 20 rupees. I have taken it as actually it is taken it as a lottery ticket. So if there is no stop loss in that particular option buying trade, that if 70,600 put option is getting zero, then I will lose. That is the trade I have taken today. So it's a difficult expiry. We can see that Nifty tend to break 70,600 several times. Here it breaks, here it breaks, here it breaks, here it breaks. There are plenty of time 70,600 is being broken, but quickly reversed from that zone. So that is what happened today. Okay, let's move on to the monthly time frame. What is happening over there? So we can go to the lower time frame later. As usual, yes, monthly time frame still 17,800 is still a strongest hurdle for the bulls. To if 17,800 is broken, then can look for long and raise both long term and short term. Until now 17,800 is a good hurdle for the BS, and we can see the candle is getting towards a shooting star kind of. Actually it is not happened, but in my view that is candle is getting, the wick is getting bigger and bigger. That is what monthly chart is showing. The view may be, the bearish view may be invalid if 70,800 is broken. That is I am continuously saying. Okay, let's move on to the weekly chart. So what weekly chart it indicate? We all know that weekly chart previous it's closed the pattern like bearish engulfing. So the long-term trend breaks if 17,800 is broken. So and taking resistance near 17,800. So that is what is being in the market. That is 17,800 still a hurdle for the bulls. So the trend I am quite a bearish side on Nifty. Let's move on to the daily chart. Yes, daily chart also we can see the past 3 days. Nifty is so not 3 days, actually 4 days. Yes, 4 days continuously red candle, but it does not move further either downside or upside. It is between the range and 7,600 and 7,800. It may be a good market for the straddle option sellers to make money in that zone, I think. Okay, let's move on to the, as we can see 7,600 is still a support. If 7,600 is broken, then we can go for the short interest. Let's move on to the shorter time frame. What I am planning for tomorrow is that the same plan I am continuously saying in the last few days. That is, if 17,600 market is now near the 7,600 zone, and if 7,600 got broken, then can look for short entries. And the same if on the down on the upside, if 70,800 got broken, then can look for long entries. There is nothing different. The same plan go short below 70,600. So let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what I am seeing is that Bank Nifty. Let's move on to the monthly chart. Yes. Bank Nifty, I have told already that Bank Nifty is bullish. Nifty is on a bearish side, but Bank Nifty is in a bullish. Because the reason is there is no hurdle to break. The only hurdle is the all-time high of the Bank Nifty. Let's move on to weekly chart. As weekly chart also, we can see the Bank Nifty taking support near the 41,000, 42,000 zone. So that what we have seen. I will move on to the daily chart. The daily chart also indicate there has been 1, 2, 3, 4 continuous 4 days. Bank Nifty is in a range. Yes, Bank Nifty is in a continuous 4 days. Bank Nifty is in the range. So what will happen soon is that have to look on the market. So I am already said that if I am in a bullish biases in Bank Nifty, but in Nifty in a bearish biases, but Bank Nifty I am bullish. Let's move on to the shorter time frame. That's 15 minutes. Okay. So what happened today is that I have told yesterday that if Bank Nifty breaking this level, 42,300 level, then can go for long entries. If someone have go long above this level, should have hit stop loss here. I think that, but after that break, we can see Bank Nifty still taking resistance near that zone, and now the Bank Nifty trading at a 42,300, 320, yes, 320 zone. So let's hope that I'm expecting to Bank Nifty to break 42,300 zone, then can go for long entry. So what I am planning is that if Bank Nifty is breaking 40,300 zone, then can be look for long entries, and also the same zone apply here also. That is 42,000 is the important support for Bank Nifty, because we can see that Bank Nifty breaking this level, making breakdown, and again breaking and again taking support near the sun and going up, and now the uh, important resistance is being tested by Bank Nifty, that is 43,300. So what's my plan for today, sorry, tomorrow, is that if Bank Nifty breaking 42,300 or 320 zone on the upside, I will be again happy to going long. Here we can see the breakout got failed here. For that reason, I will be I'm not going, not not planning any trade like this. That is what we say. Yes, breakout, fake breakout trade. I'm not planning for that. The reason is simple. That is Bank Nifty is bullish, so I am planning a trade above 42,300. Even though if Bank Nifty breaking breakout like this again and fail, that's I'm sticking with my system. The system is simple. The Bank Nifty is bullish, and everything seems bullish in Bank Nifty. So 42,300 and 340 range is the zone. So break of the zone, I will be look for long entries. So let's if we draw a trend line like this, we can also see. Okay, let's draw another. Okay, we can clearly see Bank Nifty also following the pattern. That is here the break, here again the retest, again retest our support zone and going like this, and again this zone. So the double confirmation is here. Uh, if Bank Nifty breaking this zone 4300, it is breaking of trend line plus the resistance zone. So it may be the double confirmation for the long entry players. So that is about the Bank Nifty trade. So what I am planning in Nifty is that Nifty it is in a bearish biases. So I am planning to short below 70,590 or 70,600 zone, and in Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty is in a bullish biases. So Bank Nifty if breaking 42,300, I will be happy to go long, and also if Bank Nifty 1,000, then I will be also happy to go long in the Bank Nifty. So that is the trade plan for Bank Nifty for Friday. Okay, thank you.